Well guys, this is part 2. My phone has completely stopped working for some reason. So I'm going to be using the same phone, but I got it working. But we are getting ready for fireworks, and I'm deciding that my phone is working perfectly fine. Go ahead. Go ahead, guys. Okay, I'm right here. There we go. Here goes the first one. Look at that! Wow! That's the cool fireworks that we're making now. Look at those fireworks! Oh my god. Oh, that's a lot of fire. Oh, I think 110's with me. Don't let anything. Wow. Something got on my head too. Hey, Jaden. Well, I didn't feel anything. Because, Jaden, you're in a good place. If you got hit by it, you die. Well, that was the first one. The second one is about to start. We're watching this one over here now. Did you know we're watching this one over here?
That was a pretty hard start. I wasn't expecting that.
I got mine on tape. Mom, I got mine on tape. My phone started working. Go ahead. I'm gonna sit right here. I am recording. Here goes another one, guys. Look at those. Look at those fireworks from Mecal. These are Mecal's fireworks. Oh, something hit. Something hit. Oh. Look at all those fireworks. Even though the phone froze for a second. Happy 4th of July. From me. Uh-oh. That is so loud. It is so loud.
It's just raining.
It's just raining. It's raining. It's raining sticks. No, I got hit by one.
They were trying to get me to buy those mortars. I was like, I don't know anything about those.
Well, at least.
So I'm not in.
Man, it's really loud.
They was really trying to.
I can hear the cats. There goes the other ones over there. Okay, the third one's about to start, but we're gonna wait for it. The third one has almost started. Yeah, let's go to the next one. I'll be right here. I'm gonna feel a lot of rain. I'm gonna sit right here. You make sure they're facing up, and then we can start the next one. Eventually. I'm waiting for another one. Okay, run!
Cool guys don't from explosion.
There's one. Loud. Luckily that didn't kill me. There's one. Wow. Fire right there. I'm sure. raining. It's so pretty. I'm seeing a lot of sparkles coming down. Well,
Shrapnel.
the fourth one's about to start.
Raining.
The fourth one's about to start. I think is that the fourth one? How many did we just blow up? Did we? I know we blew up 3. Okay,
Just the fourth one.
this could be the fourth one.
How many did I have? 6.
Dad, you're supposed to stay recording.
Yeah.
Yep. Here goes the fourth one. Some. Fourth of July, guys. Oh, that's a good one.
I knew it.
Man. Look at the light. Ooh, that's a lot.
Shrapnel.
Oh, you better go. Ooh, that's a
Every
lot.
time I thought it was done, it said something else up.
Alright, so last 2 are backyard bully and then the car.
I think this is
Last 2?
these are the last 2 guys. The fifth one. The back. We're doing the backyard.
Make sure.
We're doing the backyard bully. Let's do that one. And I'm waiting.
Run away, babe.
Run!
He said, "Cool guy, so run away."
Wow! Holy goodness! I haven't seen this every day. Wow, these are the crazier ones. Holy cow!
Backyard bully is so far my favorite.
Yeah, mine too.
Yeah, but it's pretty much scary. It's a scary
No, I
fun.
can tell because some of the barrels are aimed at like a 45 degree.
Right.
I told you to run. No.
Because there's going to be shooting one straight at you. Well, shh. Is Ayana sleeping?
Sound like she watched TV.
I'm from.
Okay, y'all coming back over in the morning to clean this up, right? Ha ha ha. Nothing.
Well, guys, get the last one.
Which one is this?
This is the muscle car.
This
This is the last one.
is the last one, guys. I was doing a mistake on this, but I was being bad for a second by an accident. This is the good one.
Flashlight's next to you. That's
Here we go. I think that was the last one.
yeah, it was only 22 shots in our last.
Yay!
Yay!
Happy
4th of July.
Now we going in the house.
Yep.
Make sure ain't nothing out
No,
there
I
with y'all.
Well, guys,
I'm gonna rinse them over.
this is it.
Just
Okay.
make sure.
Okay.
Guys,
But we gonna stay right here until you do that. I got you.
this is it.
Yeah, I'm ready to go in the house now.
So, guys, how did y'all enjoy the 4th of July? Was it bad or action-packed?
Where you going?
I'm going right here. Wow. Oh, sorry about that. I was having an issue. But that was the only 4th of July. It's basically, I've done this before. Yep, that was the 4th of July. Now it smells like smoke out here. You can't see the smoke. Oh!
Thank you.
Well, that's the last one, guys. I hope you enjoyed that meat cow video.
Okay, did you like that?
Yeah?
Did you get on video like that?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh. Well, guys, this is it. Hope you enjoy it, and I will upload those 2 4th of July videos tomorrow morning.